Today, we will show you how to replace the battery boards in your Vector 3 power meter system. You may need to replace the battery board on your Vector 3 system in the event there is a broken contact or damage to the contact surface. While you can change the battery board on your Vector 3 system on the bike, for this video we will be changing the battery board with pedals removed from the bike. For this process, you will need a 4mm Allen key, a Phillips PH00 screwdriver, and the Vector 3 replacement parts kit that includes new battery board and screws. This kit can be found on Garmin.com. Now use the 4mm Allen key to remove the battery door, giving access to the battery board. Next, we'll want to use your screwdriver to remove the 2 screws holding the battery board in place. Now remove the old battery board. Install the 2 screws that come in the kit back into the battery board. Then we can take the new battery board and place it inside the pedal. Next, reinstall the battery door using your 4mm Allen key. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.